Thailand stands at a crossroads. The year 2025 marks a pivotal moment for the nation's economic future. A new prime minister has taken the helm, promising change and prosperity. The global economic landscape remains uncertain, presenting both challenges and opportunities. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is a palpable sense of optimism. The new government aims to revitalize the economy and steer it towards sustainable growth. The World Bank, a prominent voice in global development, has long advocated for a balanced approach to economic growth. For Thailand, this translates into a strategic focus on its secondary cities. These urban centers, often overshadowed by the capital, Bangkok, hold untapped potential. The World Bank's rationale is clear. Over-reliance on a single economic hub can lead to disparities. It can also hinder overall national progress. By nurturing the growth of secondary cities, Thailand can unlock new sources of dynamism. This approach requires targeted investment. Infrastructure development is key, including transportation networks, reliable energy, and digital connectivity. Equally important is fostering human capital through education and skills training. The World Bank's vision is compelling. If successful, it could lead to a more inclusive and sustainable economic model for Thailand. It's a long-term strategy that requires sustained commitment and effective implementation. In a bold move to stimulate the economy, Thailand's new government has launched a massive digital wallet program. This initiative involves distributing 10,000 baht, approximately $280, to each eligible citizen. The sheer scale of the program, reaching millions of Thais, has garnered significant attention. The underlying principle is straightforward. By putting money directly into the hands of consumers, the government aims to spur spending. Increased demand, in theory, should benefit businesses, boost production, and create a ripple effect throughout the economy. Initial reports suggest a mixed bag. While millions have registered for the program, technical glitches and delays have frustrated some. The true measure of success, however, lies in its long-term impact on growth and whether it can truly revitalize local economies. The digital wallet program represents a gamble. It's a high-stakes bet on the power of consumer spending to reignite economic growth. Only time will tell whether this gamble will pay off or leave Thailand grappling with unintended consequences. The digital wallet program, while ambitious, has not been without its critics. Economists and policymakers have raised valid concerns about its potential drawbacks. Chief among these is the issue of long-term sustainability. Can a one-time cash injection truly address deep-rooted economic challenges? Skeptics argue that it might provide a temporary boost but fail to address structural issues. These could include skill gaps in the workforce or a lack of competitiveness in certain industries. Another concern is the risk of inflation. Injecting a large sum of money into the economy without a corresponding increase in goods and services could lead to price hikes. This could erode the purchasing power of consumers, negating the intended benefits of the stimulus. Furthermore, questions linger about the program's impact on government finances. Can Thailand afford such a massive expenditure? Critics worry that it could strain the national budget, potentially leading to cuts in essential services or an increase in public debt. The tourism lifeline. Can Thailand reclaim its crown? Tourism, once a cornerstone of Thailand's economy, suffered a severe blow during the pandemic. Border closures and travel restrictions decimated visitor numbers, impacting businesses and communities reliant on this vital sector. The new government recognizes the urgency of reviving tourism. It has set ambitious targets to attract record numbers of visitors in the coming years. Achieving this goal hinges on a multi-pronged strategy. Key among these is the relaxation of visa rules. Thailand has streamlined entry requirements for citizens of several countries, making it easier and more appealing to visit. This, coupled with aggressive marketing campaigns, aims to lure back tourists. But the path to recovery is not without obstacles. Global economic uncertainties and competition from other destinations pose challenges. Thailand must also address concerns about the environmental impact of tourism and ensure that growth is sustainable in the long run. Section 6. The China Challenge. Navigating the influx of goods. As Thailand seeks to revitalize its manufacturing sector, it faces a formidable challenge: the influx of cheaper goods from China. The sheer scale of Chinese production and its competitive pricing pose a threat to certain Thai industries. The digital wallet program, while intended to boost local spending, could exacerbate this issue. Critics argue that consumers, armed with additional cash, might opt for cheaper imported goods, undermining the program's goal of supporting Thai businesses. Addressing this challenge requires a nuanced approach. Protectionist measures, such as imposing tariffs on imports, could backfire, leading to higher prices for consumers and potentially triggering trade disputes. Instead, Thailand should focus on strengthening its own industries. This includes fostering innovation, promoting research and development, and supporting the development of high-value, unique products that can compete on quality and niche appeal. Section 7. Visa liberalization. Opening doors to global tourists. Recognizing the importance of tourism, Thailand has taken concrete steps to make itself more accessible to international visitors. The relaxation of visa rules for citizens of key target countries is a strategic move to boost arrivals and revitalize the sector. This approach aims to attract a wider range of tourists, including those from countries with rapidly growing middle classes and a high propensity to travel. By reducing bureaucratic hurdles, Thailand is sending a clear message: it's open for business. The potential benefits are significant. Increased tourist spending can have a ripple effect throughout the economy, creating jobs, supporting local businesses, and generating revenue for the government. However, success hinges on various factors. Thailand must ensure that it can handle a surge in visitor numbers without compromising the quality of its tourism offerings. This includes investing in infrastructure, maintaining high standards of service, and promoting sustainable tourism practices. Section 8. Balancing act growth versus responsibility. As Thailand strives for economic growth, it must tread a delicate path. Balancing ambitious targets with fiscal responsibility is crucial to ensure sustainable development and avoid jeopardizing the nation's long-term economic health. The digital wallet program, while potentially beneficial in the short term, raises concerns about its impact on government finances. Sustainable growth requires careful management of public spending, efficient tax collection, and a commitment to avoiding excessive debt burdens. Moreover, economic growth should not come at the expense of social and environmental well-being. Thailand must prioritize investments in education, healthcare, and environmental protection to ensure that the benefits of growth are shared equitably and that future generations inherit a healthy planet. Ultimately, Thailand's success hinges on its ability to strike a balance between pursuing growth and ensuring that such growth is inclusive, sustainable, and fiscally responsible. This requires careful planning, transparent governance, and a long-term vision that prioritizes the well-being of both present and future generations. Section 9. Conclusion. Navigating the path to sustainable prosperity. Thailand stands at a pivotal juncture. The new government's ambitious plans, particularly the digital wallet program and the focus on tourism, offer hope for economic revitalization. However, challenges remain, from the influx of Chinese goods to the need for fiscal prudence. The path to sustainable prosperity requires a nuanced approach. Thailand must leverage its strengths, such as its natural beauty and cultural heritage, while addressing its weaknesses, such as income inequality and environmental concerns. It must also navigate the complexities of the global economy, capitalizing on opportunities while mitigating risks. By investing in education, infrastructure, and technological advancement, Thailand can unlock the potential of its diverse regions and create a more resilient and equitable economy. With careful planning and a commitment to sustainable development, Thailand can navigate the path to a brighter economic future.